Hello friends, welcome back to the my new video guys and my YouTube channel guys. Today friend we are going to talk about guys how can we solve guys Bluetooth network problem in our Tecno phone device. Friends, we want to solve guys your phone Bluetooth network problems. So how can we solve guys? Today friends I will show you, I will tell you in this video guys. So first of all we will of our phone Bluetooth setting guys, and friends first of all guys open your phone setting to solve guys your Bluetooth network problem guys. After on phone setting guys scroll it, as you can see guys your phone get this system setting guys. Tap on system setting guys, click on guys your reset option, tap here reset setting guys, will tap here, as you can see Bluetooth setting guys, will tap here to solve it. So after that guys you can see use your device pattern to continue. So once you have your pattern lock and once you have your pin lock, so you will have to enter your pin password. So I will draw guys this pattern. I reset setting, tap here to solve guys your Bluetooth network problem. So once Tecno phone Bluetooth network problem has solved guys, you can use your Bluetooth setting guys, open your more connection setting guys. Friends, you can see Bluetooth setting. I will tap here to on it. So as you can on and you can use your phone Bluetooth setting. And if you want to connect any device, so guys you can connect from here. After solve guys, you have any another problem guys related to guys your phone Bluetooth setting. So guys don't worry guys. Take a screenshot of your phone model number, send me on comment section. I will check. I will help you. Bye guys.